This
in this
conference will
class,
now be
we
recorded.
have to create our own logo. Okay, suppose we have our own company, means we have to create our own logo. Okay, so it should be not there in the market like that. Okay, so that's why I'm telling you people, till now whatever the assignments are there, finish it those assignment. Okay, so by the time we can go our own logo design and all. Okay. uh, Yukti Sharma, did you send it me the assignment? Yukti Sharma, let me check everybody's work. Where is the work? Anybody, did everybody tried the shaping option what I have teached in the last class? Shaping. Shaping options, and Debasha Mohanty, did you try the shaping options what
Yes.
I have teached? Okay, that is very
Yes, ma'am.
important options. And whatever the things you people will practice, that only you can take a pictures and send me, no problem. At least I could see that some of the things you people are tried. Okay, see, I'm not asking you people I want very perfect work. Okay, so at least whatever the works you people are did, I can I'll get to know. Okay, you people are open the CorelDRAW software and you did something. Okay. Share my screen. I have sent it, ma'am. Yukti Sharma, I didn't get. Pooja is there, Meghna is there. Okay. Sadia, you sent it me. Yes, Yukti Sharma, you did. Okay. The certificate design, you made it very nice. The down part and all, you did very nice. The certificate has come nice. But Yukti, you sent it me any logo design? Yukti, are you sending me logo design? Any of the logo designs? Prabhujita, yeah, Depasha, you also sended me. Correct, correct. Everybody sended me. Yes, Yukti Sharma also sended me. Yes, yes, no problem. No problem. All are done a good work. One second. So now we have to go for this paging option. See here, my screen is shared, right? Yes, my screen is shared. So in CorelDRAW, we have these many pages options. So right click on any page, right click on this page. If you want rename the page, okay, if you want rename the page, right click on the page name and you can logo one. Okay, so like this you can rename it. Right click on this page and you can rename it. Logo one, logo two, otherwise any page names and all you can make it like. So here we have an option here. Duplicate page means same page I want the duplicate. Okay, right click on this. I want the same page. Then it will come duplicate page. Then it is asking here duplicate page, insert a new page before what I selected the page or after what I was selected page. Means before this third page or after the third page. It should be like that. So I want after the selected page. So it will come page 3 after page 4 has come. Okay. So what it will come actually, duplicate page means you will not get the uh, whatever the design I have in the page 3. Okay. You will get the same page size. Suppose this is in A4 size. Now it will come in the A4 size like that. So we can select it like this. We can make, I don't want page, so I will make it to visiting card. See here. Now what happened? This is the visiting card size. This is the business card. So whenever we are doing the assignment, we have to take the particular page size. Okay. So here we have an option called business card. Okay. So like that, see, this is the A4 size. See, can you see everybody left side in the top option? A4 size is there. This is the page 3. I have taken the A4 size. Now page 4 is visiting card. Visiting card, we are calling in the CorelDRAW this thing, business card option. Okay. 1 second, everybody. Okay. So we have to take here, this is the A4 size. Like that I can select any of the page and I can give the different page options here. Now I'm selecting this one, I'm giving A3 option. This is the A3 size. Now page 3 is A4 option and this is the business card option. So like that, different pages we can do the different kind of work. Okay. Suppose you people are creating one company means, so you have to, if you'll get one company project completely means, so that time in one page one you have to create the new company logo and you have to make the visiting card of the company owners visiting card. You have to make it, okay, uh, who are owner of the company, that you have to make it, and you have to make the lettered design, and you have to make the, in one more page you have to make the any poster designs, any advertisement designs, you have to make it. So everything, all company related, all the things, it should come in a different pages. Booklet designs will be there. Okay. So all, any of the things, okay, they have a company seal will be there. So everything we can take it in one file only, all the information should be there. Okay, certificate designs, any of the certificate they have, any of the legal document. Here we have an option now for legal document. So everything, see here, we have a web banner. So the company, they will be having the advertisement in the website also. They have the advertisement in the newspaper also. They maybe have the advertisement in the paper, this thing, any poster, those things and all, banner, pamphlets, anywhere. Okay. So we have to keep all the information in one file. So page 1, it should be logo designing. Page 2, letterhead design. Page 3, any of the booklets or this advertisement design of the company. Okay. So like that, page 4 we have to make the visiting card design. So particularly any of the designs we have to make, we have to take that size only. Okay, everything should having its own sizes, so we have to take the particular sizes only. Okay. So what I will do, I will take a new file. Okay. So here we have an options. Okay. Generally, we will take all the file size which is A4 size only. I will take everything should be A4 size. Number of pages I will take only 5 pages. Number of pages 5 pages I will take in the A4 option. You can take horizontal or vertical, any options you can take it. Okay. Later after going here you can do the changes of anything. Okay. So here I have taken only page, only 5 pages here. So write it down this option also. Okay, here let me complete this option first. Right click on this, here rename page, So insert page after, insert page before. Any pages insert you have to before the page. Now page 1 is there, so that's why it is not taking, because there is no page 1 before 1, there is no page here. So I can go to here page 2, otherwise page 3, you can go to here, then insert page before. Okay, so it is adding here the page before only, it is moving to page 7 now. So for page 5 I have taken already, so it is moving adding here itself. We are not created any designs, that's why we are not able to find it here. So right click on this, there is option called duplicate page. Duplicate means you will get the same page size. A4 means A4 size only you will get. If it is A3 size file, you will get the A3 size file. Otherwise, you will get visiting card size means visiting card size only. Okay. Next, delete page. Any of the page is not necessary. You can right click on this. You can go to the delete page. Okay. The delete page options only you can make it. So right click on this. Rename page. Logo design. Okay. Next, right click on this. Rename page. That is a visiting card design. So like that we have to add the different pages here. Okay. So before that we'll go to the layout. Here again the same options are there. Insert page, duplicate page, rename page, delete page and go to page. So you people know all these options. Insert page, you can add number of pages how much ever you want. You can add, already I have taken the five pages, I will add 8 pages. It is saying after this 5 pages or before the 5 pages. So we want after this 5 pages. So which size? Okay, A4 size, any size I will take it, envelope size. Okay, I will added this page 4, 5 afterwards, 6, 7, all this in a envelope size. Everything changed to envelope size. How it is possible? No, till here it is correct. So I clicked on here maybe. So page 3. After the when I selected the page 3, then I given here layout, insert this page, then it will take after third page. Okay, existing page 3. So after this all the page sizes will be in the envelope. So you have to select that particular page number. Suppose if I select page 13, so layout, insert page, existing page is 13, means after the 13th page. Okay, and how many pages? I will add 3 pages. Okay, existing page means this is whatever the page we selected, no, that is the existing page. Okay, so here whatever the size we want, we will take those web banner size, any size you can take it. Okay, so after this whatever the size is there, web banner size, this is a very small sizes, web banner size. Okay, so now I'll go to the first option. I'll go to the first option, and one more option we have. Please write it down, all this option layout. Okay, in online exams, they will ask these questions. Okay, insert page, duplicate page. So where it is available, go to page. So this option available in which menu? So they will give 4 options: layout, object, FX, bitmap. Okay, so that time you should know because it is available here also, and the same option available here also. Okay, go to page. Okay, you have to check it, both the option you should know. So if this option in some system maybe it is not available in some of the advanced CorelDRAW option, so that time you should know. You can go directly to the layout and you can select whatever the pages you want. All the options are there. Okay. So here we have an option of page setup. Okay, page setup option also is there. This is the customization of the page. Customization of the page means, see, A4 size. In the A4 size only, if you want to add, means if you want to 297, generally this is the A4 size, A4 page size. Okay, so we should follow the same size only. Suppose we want some any odd shape like 350 by this thing, any of the shape, 350 by 300. I like this shape only, this kind of shape I want. It means we have to customize ourselves. 350 by 300, I'll give okay. So this is the different size. 350, 350 is the width and 300 is the height of the page. See, this is the customized page actually. So we have to go to layout, and there is option called page setup. So page setup, and here generally we have already so many different sizes are there. This is we can see all these designs. Okay, so these are the constant shapes, constant the size of the pages. These are the constant size of the pages. Generally everywhere we can see the A4 size. A4 size only we are taking the printout when we are going to the any this thing, printing this thing and all, shops and all. So we can take the A4 size only. So any customized shapes we have to use, it means we have to go to the printing press. Any bigger printing press we have to go, and they have a bigger printing machines and all. So that time we have to give the customized sizes and all. 297 by 300, any shapes, any sizes you can give it. 500 by 600, otherwise 500 by 100. See, 500 by 100 means we'll get like this. Width is 500 and the height is only 100 only. This is the size you can give it. Okay, layout, page setup. Okay, so if I'll go to the page background. Page background means, suppose what kind of colors you have to give it. So now we don't have any background here, so only the white color is there in the background. So here any colors, so solid, if you click on the solid, you will get the any color, any kind of colors you will get it. I'll just give okay. See, page background color. So page background color, you cannot remove it, this background color. You cannot move anywhere. Okay, so this is the page background color. Okay, layout, and you have to go to the page background, and you have an option here. Please write it down. Anybody, I'm giving you people the time in the menu bar. Please go to the layout. Please write it down. 2 minutes I'll give the time. In that insert page, duplicate page, rename page. Please write it down. All this option, delete page. Go to page. Okay, please write it on all this option. Why we are using the go to page also. Go to page also very important. Go to page. Okay, all these are the page setup option. Okay, please write it down, everybody who are joined extra, who are come. Okay, Jisha is come, Lavanya Agarwal, Yukti Sharma. Jisha, you didn't attend the last class? Okay, please write it down this option. Layout, all in this, everybody system should
No, ma'am, I
have.
didn't attend.
You didn't attend? You didn't come from many classes, or only yesterday class you didn't attend?
Only yesterday's class, ma'am.
Okay, okay, fine. So we have to go to the page setup. Okay, first these options are over. insert page, duplicate page, rename page, delete page. Okay, so we'll go to this option also, go to page. So before that, we'll go to the page setup. You people know page background, page setup. Anybody having any doubt with the page setup? Inside that also we have multiple options are there. Okay, so we have time, we will come back for these options. Okay, after finishing the assignments everything, will come back all these options and all. So generally minimum option what and all you people have to know, please write it on this option. And in the page size we have an option here, bleed. Okay, so here it is not coming actually. Outline should come actually, outline should has to come. When we'll take the printout, let us check that it is there in other option or not. A4 size envelope, apply size to correct page. Okay, resolution we have to give 300 only. What is the full form of DPI? Dots per inch means in 1 inch how many dots are there. That is we can see when you are zooming any image, you can see small small dots in that image. That is the pixels, we are telling pixels. Okay, so here we have an minimum is 72, we have minimum resolution is 72, maximum resolution is 300. So DPI means dots per inch. In 1 inch how many dots are there. So if you take a bigger size, and you have to give the good resolution for that, bigger size, A4 size, A3 sizes and all, it is a bigger size. Okay, if it is a banner size or if it is a visiting card design means, it will be smaller sizes and all, you can give 72 resolution for that. Okay, so 300 resolution. If the file size will increase, when you once you increase the file size, you have to take the printout with a good quality. So that's why we should give 300 resolution. Okay, so smaller size and all you can give 72. Suppose you want to take a small logo designing any printout. Otherwise, you have to take the visiting card designs. You have to take the printout. So that time also you can give 72 resolution. But if you'll give 300 for everything, there is no worry at all. So always I'll prefer 300 only resolution. So automatically in CorelDRAW, it will take a good resolution only. The printing also it will take a good resolution. When you are making the design itself, it is taking the high resolution only. So no need to change this option. Okay. See, I'm just giving here. See, bleed option is there. The border has to come. So I'm giving show bleed area. Let me check whether it is coming here. Oh yes. So where it is coming. Bleed area means this is the outer area. In that, suppose any designs you are making, any of the designs, suppose you are made any of the design here. See, I made the certificate design till the border, till the end. So when you people are giving for printing, so what happened, this much area it will cut. So we have to give always 1 inch gap. So little bit smaller we have to give it, otherwise we have to apply the lead area. So then it will tell the like how much area you have to leave for the printing purpose we are using. So that and all we can check it out with this option. This is applied for everything. Layout, page setup. Again, if I'll give 20, show bleed area, I'll just give okay. See, this is the this thing, this much you have to leave it and all. But how much ever people are do, only the work area is this much only. This is the work area. We have to work only inside this only we have to work. Always while doing the work, we should not go out. inside this only we have to do the work. Okay, otherwise in the end you have to do the cropping automatically. Whatever the things it went out, so it will cut it out. Whatever the text or image, anything it went out, automatically it will cut this much area only, it will select. Okay, so next, layout, we have an option called page, go to page. So go to page option, when we are using this go to page option, suppose we have a 100-page book, otherwise 200-page book or 400-page book. So there is small correction in the 59th page or 109 page or 120 to any 300 page. So we cannot keep on click on here. See, I have to select where is the 7th page, 8th page, 9th page, like that. We have to keep on clicking. See, we have already 10 pages here. Let me check if it is having, we having 100 pages. So in that 57th page I'm having any problem. So how to me, I want to go to the 57th page and I have to solve the only that page problem. So that is why we have to give here layout, go to page means particular page it will open. Now I have only 10 pages. Okay, so now I will I'll be there in the first page. Okay, I'll be there in the I'm there in the first page. So I'll go to layout and go to page. I will go to the this thing, any fifth, seventh page. I will go to seventh page. So if I'll go to the seventh page, yes, it is selecting the seventh page and there is some problem with the seventh page. So whatever the corrections I have to make it in this page, so I will go to this particular page and I will solve the problem. Okay, so that is the use of the page. Go to page means book designs, magazines designs, any newspaper designs, otherwise any storybooks designs, any course material designs, school books, college books designs. So they have to do the corrections. Okay, so it will go to whatever the pages when it will design, it will go for the final QC corrections. Final QC corrections, they will give the some corrections in the 300 page, otherwise 250th page, like that. So that time we have to go to that particular page, we have to solve the problem like that. So that's why we have to use the go to page option. Okay, anybody having any doubt about this go to page? Pooja Ashok, she will explain me now what is the use of Pooja go to page. Anybody can tell me what is the use of the go to page? Anybody can tell, no problem. Anybody? Yukti Sharma, Archana, what is the use of go to page? Nobody understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell, yeah, whoever understood, you have to talk in my class.
Ma'am, it's like
Afternoon time, how could I see that like you people are listening my class or not? I'm asking that's why in between question, because afternoon time, if people will sleep means you people. Sadia, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. Yeah, tell me. What is the use of go to page? Anybody? Prapujita? Prapujita? Nobody understood whatever I said, that the go to page option. So mainly go to page option, it is usable when it is having so many pages like book designs, any novels, any of the course material designs. You have MCOM books, big books. They're having any problem, any corrections in the 50th page or 100 page and like that. So we cannot search here. Keep on searching here. So directly we can go to the particular page. Okay. So that's why we have to use the go to page option. Next, we have an option here, layout and okay, page background. Okay, if we'll go to the page background, we have a solid color here. So give whatever the colors we want. And again, here bitmap. What is bitmap? So CorelDRAW is mainly a vector-based software. Vector-based software means whatever the designs we are creating, vector is curves, shapes, whatever the polygon shapes we are taking, curves we are taking, and shapes are we are creating. Any of the shapes we are creating by our own. Those are the vector things. Now, what is bitmap? Bitmap is nothing but the image. We have to take the image from the desktop or from the internet, from wherever we want we can take the images. Bitmap, it is a format of the image. See, I'll go to the picture and I'll go to the sample picture and I will take any of the picture. So import, so select it like this and I'll give the option called import. Okay, it is coming like this. Okay, so just what you have to do, layout, and here we have an option page background. Please write it down, this option page background. Inside that we have these many options: no background, solid background in the sense you have a color for this. Whatever the colors you want, you can give it. Otherwise you have to click on here particular options. You have to click on here, radio buttons are there, you have to click on here. In that we have now options of browse. Okay, click on this browse and you select it, whatever the options. In desktop we have this CorelDRAW folder. Okay, we have CorelDRAW folder. Whatever the images you want, you can add it. Okay, any image. I will select it and just give OK. Default size. We'll select the default size. Okay, according to the image. See, can you see the pixels? These are the pixels. These are the, when you zoom it, so you can see how many dots will be there. So if you zoom it only, you can see that. So these are the pixels per inch. So these are the pixels. Okay. Okay. So these are the images. This is completely attached to the background. Once we will place the background, see, it will apply for everything. So it will apply for the everything. So this is little dangerous because if it is a plain background means it is okay. Otherwise, where we are using this kind of background mainly, any company letterhead designs, we have to place the background, any logos in the background. So that time we can give it for everything. So it will apply for everything. Suppose it will apply for the poster design, pamphlet design, any of the things. They have a lightly shaded logo will be there. So watermark, we are telling watermark for that. So that time we can give it for all the pages, not like this. So layout, page background, I will just give no background, otherwise just give the solid background. So which is applying for everything. So all the pages which is having only the solid color. Page background, these three options you have to use it. No background, solid background and the bitmap. Okay. See, everybody is trying in your systems. Noor, Yukti. While I'm teaching class, you people are also trying in the newer system. Prapujita, nobody is talking. Is there any problem in the mic? Everybody can listen my words right properly.
Yes,
Lavanya
ma'am.
Agarwal, Lavanya, Lavanya, are you there in the class? Okay. Okay. So what is left in the page option? Okay. Page number settings, page layout option. So here, now I'll go to the beginning of the page. So if I'll go to here, layout, page number, insert page number. So insert page number means when you will read a novel or any of your school book, college book. So there you can see everywhere, any magazines everywhere. So you have a page number everywhere, correct? So we cannot give each and every page, single page, we cannot give the number because it will be 200 or 300 pages. So that time it's so difficult, and it should come equally. Everything should come equally in a proper size and proper position. It should come. So that's why we should give this insert page number on all pages. Okay. Okay, on active layer, on all pages, on all odd pages. Means active layer means which you have already designed. Some designs are there. It will give only on that pages only. It will give the number. Empty pages, it will not give the numbers. So I'll just go to the on all pages. I'll go to the on all pages. Can you see here? Page number has come here. One. Correct. If I click on here, one. Page 2 didn't come. Page 3 has come. Page 2 also maybe it came. See, it is here. Page 2 is here. Page 3 is here. Page 4 like this. Page 5. So page 5 also it is there. So it is hiding behind this. So we have to give the page number to all the pages. So which option we have to go? We have to go here, layout. In that we have an option, insert page number. Insert page number. In that we have option called on active layer. Please write it down all this option. Layout in exams, in the online exam, they will ask this kind of question. Okay. See, active layer, on active layer option available in which menu. Okay, so active layer, how it will work means active layer, it will apply the numbers for all the pages, true or false. Okay, so this kind of questions they will ask. Okay, so active layer option, if you give active layer options, it will apply for all the layers, or which is available for, which is having the images, it will apply for those things. Okay, this kind of twisted questions they will ask. Okay, so that's why you should know each and everything. Small options only they will ask you. Nobody will tell you to design in the online exam. So they will theoretically what and all options will come in the menu bar. Whatever the options and all come. So inside that some more options will come. So those options they will tell. Ask you people. See, already we have the page number here. Okay. So here, if I'll change the page number, if I'll add the page number, let me check if I'll do some changes here. If suppose I will give you 1, 2, 3, let me check what happened. If I'll change it to 1, 2, 3, in all the pages it will come 1, 2, 3 only. Okay. Page only got confusion. So I'll go to layout, page number setting. See, here we have an option. Before giving to the layout, see here, insert page numbers are as it is, like it will apply for all everything 1 to 100, whatever the numbers we have taking. So those things only automatically it will take. Insert page number. If we'll go to the page number setting, we have multiple options are there. So what kind of page numbers I want? I want it in Roman letters, whether I wanted the capital letters, capital ABCD, small letter ABCD. So we have five options like this. Okay, we can select any of the option. Okay, you can select. Usually everybody using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only. So we cannot use all these things ABCD and all for kids book and all. Maybe we can use it, but always page numbers and all we have to give it like this only. Okay, we'll just try with the Roman letter. So it is asking whether the page number starting from 1 or 10, something like that. Starting, suppose if I give to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is the page number? I'll give 10. Start page number. Okay, start at 1. Start on page. Start on page. Start at number 10. Okay, let me check. So where is the page? So I'll go to layout. Again, insert the page on all the pages. See, first we have to give the page settings. Page setting I have already in the page number setting already. I started with the 10th, means the page, the number should start from 10 in the first page. Okay, in the first page it is starting with the page 10. Suppose I will select this ABCD. I'll start with A. Let me check. Okay. See, like this. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Like that. Tenth option, whatever you will get the 10th option, it will apply. J, K, like this. It is changing. K, L. Okay. So all these options, it is coming here. So please write it on this option. Page setup is different. Insert page number. Insert page number means just you have to apply on this. Whatever the page options we have, just we have to apply on this. Here page setting, page number setting. In that you have these three options are there. Start at number, start on page, and the style. Please write it down. This option also write it down. This also. Check in everybody's system which is available or not. Okay, insert page number on active layer on all pages, on all even pages. Even pages means 2, 4, 6, 8, like that. It will apply only for the even pages. Okay, that means front and back pages. It will means the back page will not apply. It will apply for the front page. Two, it will apply for the two. Next three won't be there. Next one is a 4. Hmm? A 5 won't be there, and the 6 when you are making the book designs. So it is not much of our work actually. This is the printing people work. They should only arrange it and they should only give this kind of number things and all. So when we are giving any books for printing, so that time we will get to know those page numbers and all. So that time we have to give 2. The backside of the 2 is 3. Next page is 4. 4 backside is 5, like that. Sixth, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, like that it will apply. Hmm? Front and back pages when we'll make the cover, magazine designs, anything. Okay, so anybody having any doubt about the layout? We have one more option here, page layout. Again, page layout is, see, same thing only. When we have to make the any of the book designs, see, it is automatically giving you here book, booklet, tent card, side fold card, top fold card, tri-fold, tri-fold brochure. Okay, tri-fold brochure means three folds we can make it in the A4 size only. If we'll fold the A4 size in a three different, if we have to take the A4 size, and we have to make the like hotel menu cards, those things and all, it will come with the three fold, two fold, any invitation cards, it will come with the two fold. So that and all different sizes will be there. Full page means whatever the sizes we have taken already. This is a book page. See, it is having different design here. All this is our printing related works. See here, booklet designs, tent card, any invitation card designs, side fold card, top. So when you learn the advanced CorelDRAW, means when you will start to doing the designs of brochures, pamphlet, any booklet designs, menu card designs, so that time we have to use these many options. So you people are in the beginning now. After 1 week, we have to come back for this. After another some classes, we have to use this all these sizes and all. We have to do the work. Okay, please write it down this option also, because they may be ask you people booklet option available in which menu, layout. Layout, inside that which options you have to go, you have to go here layout, page layout. Please write it down, layout. Inside that we have an option called page layout. Here in this we have these many multiple options are there. See, suppose if I'll give booklet which is facing the pages. Okay, see, can you see that what it means? Anybody can tell? Anybody can talk. There is no punishment like that. Nobody can't talk in my class, but you should, people should talk. What is the meaning of facing of the pages? Yukti, Meghana, Sadia, what is the use of this, what is that facing pages option? Anybody know that? Facing pages. See, if I'll take this option, I'll go to layout, in that page layout. See, facing options, facing pages. Any of the options? Layout, page layout. Layout. In that we have this option. Any of the options we have to take. Okay, book designs. Book designs, in that we have to do facing pages, means left side and right side page. Two pages we have to take. Correct. Any greeting card designs, any book designs. So always how it will get print, left side, right side. Again, left and right side, back side also text will be there. Okay, so like that we have to take the facing of the pages. We cannot make one single paper, and any book designs it will not come like one single pages, it will not come. Okay, it will come front and back, both the sides printing will be there. Correct. In the front also text will be there, in the back also text will be there. The story books, any of the story books, front and backs, always the story will continue. Any of the novels, it will continue with the front and back. Everywhere it is printing will be there. Okay, so that's why we have to take the front and back. This is one page and this is separate page. Okay, now like how the book, when you open a book, how it will look, so like that only. So we have to make the text here printing, we have to take the printout here, this also we have to take the printout, this also in the back side also we have to take the printout. So like this everything it is now changed, front and back, both the things it is changed with the front and back. So we have to place some image here, and we have to add the text for this particular image and all. Okay, so that is the all this related to book designs. So if the, when whoever they want to release their own books, they want to design their own any of the story books, any of the things, so that time they have to use these many options. All these options are very important: page setup, page background, page layout, all these options are very important when they have to design their own book. Okay, anybody having any doubt? Nobody having any doubt? Now we can go to this here. All the colors are changed. Okay. Page background. I take no background. Okay. So whatever the, if we have to create the visiting card design means we have to, we'll create a visiting card design today. So next class we can go to create our own logo. First we will finish with the visiting card design. Okay. So whenever you have to create a visiting card designs, so what and all things are necessary? What and all we should add in the visiting card design? Anybody? Debasha, Meghana, anybody can tell what and all we should add in the visiting card? First, we have to change the size here. So we have to take the business card. See, whenever you will take the business card, so here also we have an option when you will take a new file. So we can go to the option here. There's an option called business card. So 3.5 by 2. That is the size of the file. So always in exams they can ask you people in the online exam, so what is the size of the business card, so they will make you confused, like four options they will give. They will give 2.5 by 3, otherwise 3.7 by like 2.7, something like this they will give the option. Okay, so business card size always everywhere it is like this only. Business card it is calculated in inches. That option, the sizes will be 3.5 by 2.0. Okay, I am in a high designation, I want to make my business card, visiting card should be bigger, it won't consider as a business card then. Correct. So business card always it is having its own size will be there. Okay. So 3.5 by 2.0. That is the visiting card size. Okay. So here it is coming in the millimeter. You can change it. You can select it here units. If you'll go to the inches, so it is taking here 3.5 is the width, 2.0 is the height of the business card. Okay, So whenever you have to make the business card means you can make any small design on that. Okay, any of the designs you can make it. So what I will do first, I will go to the shapes. I will take any of the shapes. Certificate designs we use this option only. Some of the designs. So mainly the color combination and what kind of business you people are doing. So that is also very important. So any of the designs, light color like this, Control D. I will take the duplicate copy of that, and in that only I want to make it dark. So I'll go to here in the color, double click on this lightly and make it little. See, this is the original color. Whatever the color, which is when I'm taking the color option, yes. Anybody having any doubt? Okay. See, whenever I am taking the color, see down part, the upper part is the original color. So I want to make it little dark in that color only. So this is my original color and this is a little dark only. So I will select it this one. So you can keep it like this. Otherwise, you can go to here order to back of layer. Okay, you can give it to back of layer. Just no need to make so much gaudy designs and all. Otherwise, you can have a option of flip. See this option, flip option. This also there. Again, you can give the shading of this with some dark color. Order again to back of layer. So this also you can use it. First, what you people do when you people have to do the assignment, first what is your ma'am is telling, that option you have to try whether I'm able to do this option or not. So later you have to try your own option. This one back, this one front, both the options you can to front of layer. What are the back options? Put like this. Okay, it will come out also, no problem. We can crop that layer. So later, how much ever it is come out, we can crop it those option. Okay. So what I will do, I will go to here. There is an option here, ruler. Okay, we have to take the ruler option and we have to give everywhere from all the sides. We have to give half of inches. So we have to leave it here. This much area only we have to type. How much ever area we want, only this much area only we have to start typing. Okay. You can make the company logo. Okay, name, otherwise you can make the name of the. So I can type here any company name, I can type it here. Otherwise, I can type my designation here. I can give the size properly. Whatever the size we have taken here, I will select the name of this and can give proper text. First letter, I will select the letter and give the capital letter. Just spelling correction. Okay, any spelling problems it will come. What you have to do? Same design we can do it here also. If you want to colored kind of background, you can do it here. Just check the position. Some people will do here also. Otherwise, some people will do the name of the person name, everything. They will make it like this only. So you people have to do your own logo. I own visiting card. I will select C 7.6. Now here it is. I will give it like that only. Just type it here 7.6. See how much ever the size is there. That only you just give it. Otherwise you can reduce the size of this. Okay, any of the sizes you can make it like this. So I will type the company name here. Otherwise, we have our own company, so we can make it. I will just reduce the size of this. I'll go to here. I'll just give any text. I click on here. You have to join it for the particular layer means the computer. No need to add more options and all. If you want to make it capital letter, one capital letter, one small letter you should not give. So something like this you can make it. You can add the address, mail ID, phone number, any of the things you can add it here. So I'll just give one proper letter for this. It is a bold letter. See, all are bold letter in this. You want to give the sharp letter. I'll click on here. Okay. You can add your phone number here, mail ID here also you can add it. Here you can add the company website, any of the informations you can add it. Otherwise you can add. You can add it this much only. So it will be little small letter. So you can add, you have your own company means you can add your company name here, and we have a company logo here. We have to add the company logo in the left side. Right side will be the company uh, where you people are working, or any of your designation, whether you people are a manager or anybody's designation, you can add it in the right side. And here you can add the phone number, or any, you can add phone number here only. Otherwise you can add company website, you can add it. All those things you can add it. Okay, you can add the phone number here also. Here whatever the mobile numbers we have, we can add it. Otherwise you can remove this. This is the designations and all, you can remove it. You can add the phone number here itself, no problem. So what is the file size? 7.6. 7400968. So I'm just adding the phone number. Let me check what is the file size, how the file is finally it is looking. can add the okay. Then if you want here, and we can add the this thing address. Suppose you want to make it address, then you have your option any light color. I'll just remove the outline here. Okay, right click on this order to back off layer. Means here slightly I have given this light color. So please follow however I'm doing. Okay, while I'm doing in this class, you have to do the same thing. While practicing also, you have to take the ruler, all these guidelines, and add do some minimum designs. Don't make a plain visiting card design, because you people are learning designing software, so you have to make the designing of any kind of designs. You have to make decent designs. You have to make it in the visiting card. Okay, no need to do so much any bright colors and all. So I have some designs actually. See, these are the visiting card designs which we have to use the curves. See, these are the curve designs. Okay, phone number, any of the facts, these things, all these things we can give. See, the company uh, name or logo design here, and here see contact. We have to give it, and we have to give the address of the company. Okay, it's a graphic designer. Any of the things you can make it. Okay, so I can give my designation, and here phone number you can add it, mail ID you can add it, and here we can give the address Bangalore, and whatever the address and all is there, so those options we can type it on here. Okay, just a small letters you have to make it. I'll just give small letter only, 6 is the small letter, Bangalore. Okay, full address I'm not given. Only the you have whenever you are making this thing, you have which tower it is in, which building. You have to write those things and all. You have to make it. You have to complete it. Okay. So where exactly which is located, the full line it will come. The address will come always in a one or two lines. Okay. You have to add those options. So when you will make the visiting card designs, you have to add all these informations. Think you people are having your own company, so on that company only you can add your any of the company name. Okay, any of the company you people are going to work, so those company only you can just add. I'm the person who is the manager in the Wipro, manager in the Infosys, or I'm the trainer in Infosys. Any of the things you can add it here, and you can just write the company name, mail ID, and the company address. Any of the things, any of your having your own company also, you can make a design like this. Okay. So wherever you can, all only 4 5 options should be there in the visiting card design. Okay, you should not add more information. So this when we are doing the curve shapes and all, so that time I will tell you how to make these shadings. You can add more curve shapes and all. So only you have to use the shapes. Whatever the tools I have teased, only minimum tools itself you have to do the design like. It should look decent. Okay, now if I want the background color, always it will be the white color only. I will select it like this. I will give any light color, grayish color. All it is in a gray only. So let me check any of the light color. See here, I will select it this, and I want to make it more light. See, see light color like this. I'll just give OK, and I will select it like this, and I will just give the remove the outline and selected this one, order to back of layer. See, now what happened? It is taken the, okay. So finally, after finishing this everything, you should crop. Okay, see all some of the files are went outside. Otherwise, you have to adjust it like this. You have to crop. Otherwise, you have to adjust the files like this. You have to adjust it. Okay. So all these things you have to do. Background color, any of the things you can add it. Okay, if necessary, you can add the background color. Even text also like that. Any of the fonts you can give it. If we give the italic font like that, see this unable to read it properly. How they will mail us? If unable to read this kind of this thing, so they're not able to read it. Correct. So when you're doing the visiting card designs, so give it proper mail ID and all. Okay, and proper name also, like proper text, proper font you have to use it. Okay, so how it will look? Okay, this is the thing which we are using with the rulers and all. Okay, so this also you have to zoom it, and you have to do this option. Okay, you have to zoom it. Zoom wherever you want, and you have to do the designs. Okay, so now how it will look, the final output. So we'll go to view. Please write it down this option also, view, and there is an option here, full screen view. Okay, there are two options are there, full screen preview and preview selected only. Okay, you have to use our shortcut is F9. Okay, full screen preview. Okay, this is a full screen, how the output it will be. Everybody can see that, right? Okay, so like that we have to use it. This is the full screen preview, and this is the final output. And what is the file size? This is the file size only, like normal visiting card design, how the size will be. Only when you will take the printout, it will come in that size only. Okay, I'll just give escape. Okay, press the escape key in the keyboard, it will come like this only. So layout, sorry, view, and there is an option called full screen preview, otherwise preview selected only. Okay, whatever the area it is selected, how much ever it is selected, maybe it is, my mouse is somewhere here, it is selected only, it will come like this only. Okay, you have to go to the view and full screen preview. Okay, give this option only. See what is the assignment you people have to do. You have to create a visiting card designs. You can use the any shapes, triangle shape you can use it, any curve shapes you can use it. No, don't use the curve shapes, any circles. Otherwise, any star options you can use it, any of the star options you can use it. Okay, so you have to add some multiple designs and all. Okay, you can use this circle. Look at the circle. Inside there's one more circle. Control D. Control D like this. I don't know whether it's looking good or not. Outline we have to remove it. Give some other color. select it like this. Then when you will crop it here, so this is the crop option. You have to take the file size, only this much only it will come. When you crop it here, file size only this much. See, only you will get this much only the file. So this is the thing, you have to take it. You can do the changes later also, you can do the changes how much ever you want, you can take it. Okay, so you can go to this crop again. So this much only I want means I will take it this much only. Any of the designs you can use it. Okay, any of the designs you can use it. Circles you can make it like this. Otherwise, any of the shapes, stars, you can add the different stars with multiple this thing, you can use it. Otherwise, any of the shapes, till now I teach you people this basic shapes and all. Please try to note it on all these options. You have to try all these options, and you have to create a visiting card designs. Okay, anybody having any doubt?